The morning brew.
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 With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 the radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Back to DJ Tommy G. Second hour of this radio show. Do check the time. It's now 11:23 in the morning. Still AM. Time check this time brought to you by Royal Duty Free. And hey, the summer raffle promo is gonna be up until May 25. It's still ongoing. So reach new heights with Royal Duty Free's summer raffle, where the sky's the limit. It actually runs March 16 to May 25. It's as simple as every 500 peso purchase earns you an e-raffle. 500 purchase lang, huh? Okay? And get the chance to get more by using your Gold Royal Privilege card, or if you purchase from the sponsor products. Okay? Anything from the sponsor products, you'll get extra raffle coupons with up to 700,000 pesos worth of prizes. Wow! How awesome is that, huh? So head on to Royal Duty Free stores now, Store 1 and Store 2. Visit their social media pages, the official website, www.royalsubic.com. And you may call 252-3258 for more inquiries. Okay. On with today's holidays and observances. And the famous birthdays segment. Okay. So let's check it out. What are today's holidays and observances and famous birthdays? Oh, by the way, this is being brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Zone branch, and also the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch. Once again, we'd like to remind you, Subic Bay Freeport branch is temporarily closed as they are still hiring for restaffing. But Wawas Lincoln branch is open 2:30 p.m. daily to 9:30 p.m. Okay, so the Lincoln Heights Subdivision is at the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Dinalupihan branch. If you want the best tasting flame-grilled quarter pounder burgers, may buy one, take one pa, the delicious sandwiches, and extra add-ons. Ikaw bahala kung ano ilalagay, ha? Extra add-ons. The combo meal also, and the fries with the different flavors to choose from. Visit their official Facebook page para makita nyo yung menu, ha? Alright, on with today's holidays and observances, since it's the first edition of this radio program for the month of May. Let me give you the entire month of May monthly observances. In the Philippines, the month of May is Land Transportation Safety Month under Proclamation number 115-A, series of 1966. Okay, the month of May is also Youth and Student Travel Month under Proclamation number 1138, series of 1973. Also, the month of May is the month of the ocean, Cervical Cancer Consciousness Month, National Heritage Month, Anti-Graft and Corruption Awareness Month, National Hypertension Awareness Month. Naku, marami yan, ano? So you guys, you stay safe, huh? Stay away from hypertension. Do not hyper your tension. And what else? Volunteerism Month, ang month of May. Yun, okay? And month of May is also my special month. Ako, marami kami. Sino pa ba? Si yung ate ko, si Ate Tess. Ayan, si Ate Aurora Lumakin na kasabay kong pinanganak. Nung time na umuuha ako, umuuha din siya. So, duet. Marami. Sino pa ba yung mga month of May? Sila, yung mga cousin namin, marami dyan eh. Sila Ate Jane, ayan, sila Ate Grace. Ayan, okay. Moving on. The month of May is also International Harry Potter Day. Pero have you guys heard in the news, magkaaway na si J.K. Rowling tsaka si Daniel Radcliffe tsaka si Emma, ayan, si Hermione. Ayan, it's about a stance on science thing na pinag-awayan nila. Sabi pa ni J.K. Rowling, kahit mag-sorry sila, hindi ko tatanggapin. Nagtatagalog po si J.K. Rowling. In case you don't know, marunong siya mag-Tagalog. And also World Tuna Day ang month of May. Okay? What else? Month of May is also Life Insurance Day, Day of the Prayer, Day of Reason, US Capitol Police Day, yung mga police, less po. Ang mga paring less po sa US of A, ha? Ano pa? World Password Day. Ayan. Sineselebrate ang password. Ito ba yung araw na isi-share natin yung mga password natin? Hindi naman siguro, ano? What else? May 2. May 2 ito, ha? Itong celebrations na to, ha? May 2 is also Brothers and Sisters Day. Ano pa? Scurvy Awareness Day. Are you guys familiar pa with scurvy? Kasi it's an almost extinct illness na ang scurvy. Pero alam niyo ba noon, back in the days na na mga 1800s yata yon, 1700s, ang scurvy is like cancer. Very incurable. Pag nagkaroon ka, ako parang sentensya na. Turns out, it's just a thing that, lack of vitamin C lang pala ang scurvy. Yun. Oo. Nung una, walang nakakaalam, pero sa atin-atin lang, ha. Yung mga dapat makaalam, alam na nila eh. Parang there's a cure already, pero gawin muna nating negosyo. Parang gano'n. Same goes with cancer. You don't believe me? Hahaba yung usapan. Sige, tama na. May 2 is also play your ukulele. Ayan, okay. What else? Truffles Day. Tuna Day. I love tuna. Dati kasi yung isdang yan, isa lang yan eh. Hinati nung chef, tuna. So there you have it. Holidays and observances for May, monthly and daily. And this time, famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Find out. May 2 birthday celebrants. This one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. Happy birthday to Eddie Garcia. Sino? Si Eddie Garcia. May 2, 1929, birth anniversary for him. One of the most celebrated Filipino actor, napakagaling na actor. But sadly, he passed away 2019, so birth anniversary for him. He was born May 2, 1929. Dwayne The Rock Johnson, May 2, 1972. Perhaps one of the most popular soccer player bago pa yung time nila Messi, nila Ronaldo, nila sino pa ba, si Neymar. Eto muna ang sikat na sikat noon, si David Beckham. Dahil magaling na, guwapo pa. Alam mo everything's gonna be okay, just stay pogi eh. Ganun lang yun eh. Yan ang lagi ko sinasabi sa anak ko eh. Anak, everything's gonna be fine, just stay pogi. Huh? Ganun lang yun. Tsaka sa school, stay pogi lang, everything's gonna be fine and everything. Kasi if you stay pogi, walang effect yung mga mga naninira sa iyo eh, no? Yung mga nagsasabing naiinggit ka sa kanila, ganun. Yan ang nakakapagtaka minsan eh, no? Yung malalakas ang loob magsabi na naiinggit ka, tas toxic ka raw. Pero mas pogi ka eh. Ba't ka maiinggit? Yeah. Ang masaklap pa nun, ikaw na mas pogi, ikaw raw yung naiinggit. Yung nagsasabing naiinggit ka, kamukha ni Jabba the Hutt. Kilala niyo si Jabba the Hutt? Google niyo na lang, Jabba the Hutt, Star Wars. Yun. Okay? Mga hindi nakakakilala. Hindi kayo Trekkie, kundi yung kilala. Yun lang. Napunta lang sa pogi. Kasi David Beckham kasi yung pogi-pogi. Parang yung one of those guys na pag nasalubong mo, pare, ang pogi natin ah. Hindi may iwasang mapasabi ng gano'n. No? Tapos babati mo pa, pakis pare, pakis. Ayan. Speaking of pogi, yung isa pang pogi na nagbe-birthday ngayon, my most favorite bass guitar player in the world, si Kuya Emmanuel Bitoon Pelliazer. Ayan. Happy birthday sa iyo, sir. Idol natin yan sa pag-play. Magaling siya mag-bass guitar. Yeah. Rock and roll to the world. Idol Emmanuel. I miss jamming with you guys ha. Dati kasi nakaka-jam ko itong yung mga tropang bandista pag may mga events sa boardwalk. Kasi pag may event doon, tayo yung MC, mga ganon, may mga celebration. Pero ngayon, hindi na masyado. Hindi na ako masyado na nakukuha pang MC doon. Dahil yung mga, alam mo na, yun. Balik tayo sa celebrity. Happy birthday, Kuya Emmanuel, ha? Alright. Lily Allen, pop singer Lily Allen, May 2, 1985. Turns 39 today. Naalala niyo ba yung song na F You Very Very Much? Tsaka yung Smile. Yan, maraming naging hit ito na magaganda naman, di ba? Lily Allen, May 2, 1985, turns 39 today. Next up, we have Bam Bam! Yung mga fans ng K-pop boy band, he's a member of GOT7. Yan. However, he's from Thailand. He belongs to a South Korean K-pop boy band, but he's from Thailand. Parang naging common sa mga South Korean boy band, no? Merong isang taga-Thailand. Like sa Blackpink, si Lisa Marie Presley. Hindi ko alam apelido niya. Pero ito si Bam Bam, also from Thailand. Okay. Akala ko dati taga Tarlac, Bam Bam Tarlac. Ban pala 'yon. Paul George, basketball player. Ayan. He plays for the Los Angeles Clippers. Ayan. Uy, ang ganda ng labanan nila ng yung Dallas Mavericks, ha? Ano na ba yung tabla na ba? All 2 yata, I don't know. Hindi ko na na-follow. Next up, we have, one of my most favorite singers, female singers from the golden years, the yesteryears. Ang mga sikat na kinanta niya, It's My Party, I Cry If I Want To. Alam niyo, sorry naman, kinanta ko lang para malaman niyo talaga. Tsaka yung You Don't Own Me, I'm not just one of your many toys. Yan, yung original version, si Leslie Gore. And she's really, really beautiful. Yan, maganda na songer pa. No? May 2, 1946. However, she passed away in 2015. Happy birthday to you up there, Leslie Gore. Another K-pop artist, si Sunmi. Okay. She's a member of the Wonder Girls. Naalala niyo pa ba yung The Wonder Girls? I want nobody but you. Yan yung The Wonder Girls, di ba? Si Sunmi. Sunmi in Tagalog, malapit na maging ako. Sunmi. Hindi naman pwedeng ako yung araw. Sunmi. Hindi pwede. Human ka eh. And lastly, si paring Engelbert. Yan. Engelbert Humperdinck. Timeless classic karaoke songs. Yan. Di ba? Yung mga, please release me, let me go. Let me go, let me go. Yan yung magandang team song ng mga bagong kasal. Kakakasal pa lang yan na kagad yung team song. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. Yan, si Engelbert Humperdinck yun. Alam niyo ba yung kasabayan niya, si Tom Jones? Time na yon. Pareho lang sila ng style eh. Tapos parehong pogi. Another proof, another testament to isa sa mga pinaniniwalaan ko, what I was saying kanina pa. Just stay pogi, everything's gonna be okay. Tingnan nyo, hanggang ngayon sikat pa rin yung songs nila. Tom Jones tsaka Engelbert Humperdinck. Mga staple sa karaoke, videokehan yung mga kanta nila, di ba? Tama ba? So, stay pogi, everything's gonna be fine. Walang epek yung naninira sa'yo dahil pogi ka. Yung naninira sa'yo, lalong magiging pangit. Yung pangit na nga talaga. Sus, matiwasa. Jabba the Hutt. Engelbert Humperdinck was born May 2, 1936. Natawa lang ako sa Jabba the Hutt. Also, I wanna say welcome back to the Philippines. Yan. Si Kuya Freddy Gatdula. Napapag-usapan na rin lang mga pogi. Topic na rin lang yung mga pogi. Yan. Umuwi siya from Papua New Guinea. Yan. Tataka lang ako. Hanggang ngayon, New Guinea pa rin yan, Kailan ba magiging Old Guinea yan? Kuya Freddy, pakisagot. Pakisagot ang tanong. Welcome back to the Philippines. Ayan. Siya ay umuwi. Ang kamukha ko yan eh. Oo, kaya asahan mo na, pogi. Swerte niya, naging kamukha ko siya. Kuya Freddy Gatdula. Ayan. I miss you, man. Punta ako dyan, ha? I'll see you, okay? And speaking of I'll see you, we would like to condole sa mga naiwan, sa mga nagmamahal, sa mga nakakakilala, kamag-anak, friends, relatives ni Nanay Huling. All right? She passed away just the other day. Yan, April 30. Okay? So, ang aming taus-pusong pakikiramay sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal kay Nanay Huling. Me included. Count on it. Yes. Apo. So, our condolences po. Okay? Kuya Freddy and my ates, Ate Ose, Ate Julie, Ate Tetet, I'll see you guys, ha? Okay? And my other relatives. Alright. So, there you have it. Celebrities and the likes, the famous people celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So, your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me now, 0910-6909-501. Okay? That's the official text digits of DJ Tommy G. Tapos, tama-tama, save nyo na yung number. Baka you need to contact me. Kailangan nyo kong tawagan. Tama-tama, malapit na yung mga, yung mga Christmas party. Thanksgiving party. Malapit na ba? Oh, nangangalahati na ang taon eh. Oh, next month, kalahati na. Officially, June. Alright? So, save that number. 0910-6909-501. Okay? So, let me give you a song coming from one of today's birthday celebrants. Si Sunmi, of the Wonder Girls. Yeah, songs din coming from Engelbert Humperdinck. Sino pa ba? GOT7, si Bam Bam, Lily Allen. Sige, we will put those songs, mga nagbe-birthday. Okay. So, for the meantime, eto muna yung isa sa mga pinakasumikat na song ng The Wonder Girls. I want nobody but you. Ayan, sige, let's put it. Sunmi, one of the Wonder Girls, celebrating her birthday today. Check it out. 895 Subic Bay Radio.